Students very much want to meet prospective employers in person, but employers are really preferring to have that engagement virtually. How do you keep two sets of stakeholders happy and well served if they have different preferences?
There's a typical thing here where you say, well, a little of both for both of them. But I think you also need to decide kind of for making the match happen, maybe one of these is more of a primary customer. Like, so for example, within eBay, you'd say, well, your buyers are your customers, but your sellers in certain cases, maybe eBay's more primary customer. And so it's kind of like, which one do you need to cater to? Call it more 70-30 is the way you're doing it. I would suspect it's the employers because the students actually just really, really want a job, right? Like they're like, as long as you got the employers there, I got a chance to get a job. So that would then shift your answer a little bit. But, it could be that I'm wrong and a quick guess. You go, oh no, it's actually more student driven, in which case we have to shift it the other way. But I think the 50-50 is almost never the right answer. It's always a little bit shifted in one direction.